Dear brothers and sisters, let us build healthy, happy and harmonious world together. Every human being, we all must make the change to live healthy, happy and harmonious. The individual's transformation, collectively a society's transformation. The Vyakti Shreyas, Samaj Shreyas. The first transform ourselves. The be the change that you want to see in the world. So let us educate ourselves. Let us learn things from the Mother Nature. And let us expose our children to the Mother Nature. Give them the freedom. Give them the wonderful freedom education, not the stressful education. Give them the practical education which they can learn happily and they can gain the health, they can gain wonderful knowledge, at the same time great character. The purposeful living, the meaningful living, happy living. So such gift we all must give to our children. So that is designed as Manavata Sanskar Vidya, giving the value education, the valuable education for our children. So the current education what the schools are giving, the little bit of academics, the literacy, this is only little help, but the major part of the education is missing. The academic education is only 15%. But how about the holistic development, the development inside out and understanding the nature and understanding the body, mind and gaining the control over and understanding the goal of life and understanding how to gain the mind control and how to lead the better life and the life skills. All this is very important, but our today's children are missing this. That is why Manavata Sanskar Vidya is mainly focusing on the practical, innovative, inspirational education. So we live with inspiration, we live with happiness. So learn from the Mother Nature, natural education, no stress. So that is why it is important for all of us to understand at this point in time how it is important to bring the health, give the health and good attitude to our children. So do not neglect it. Let us transform our education system. Let us give best to our children. Start this change from home. First, we must change our thinking. So which is basically giving more importance, the highest importance, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. That means the righteousness is the highest priority for us. The truthfulness, happiness and non-violence is most important. To following those values and giving money, time, all that for those values, for dharma, artha. So artha is basically money must be spent for the protecting the righteousness. So the practicing the righteousness in your heart, in your home, and pass on that righteousness through practice. It cannot be taught. Pass on this humanity through the practice. So please do start practicing the basic human values. Let us save our nature by just leading non-violent life. Just let us feel for every bird, every creature on this Mother Earth. This is the great gift given by God. But the people are not actually realizing the fact what is important. So that's why at least we should open up now. We should open our eyes